this is Bellini. Let's take a look at this amazing mermaid tail, also known as a Senecio vitalis crest. And it looks quite striking in this beautiful oval shaped pot in this cobalt blue. And we topped it off with this beautiful glass rocks mixed with blue, shades of blue and clear glass, which really pops and really makes this amazing looking mermaid tail look like it's actually like in the ocean. Isn't that pretty? It has like a nice coastal theme there. This does great in filter light or full sun. We recommend watering about once a week. Let me show you some more mermaid tails here. We put it in these interesting looking terracotta vases, which have a drainage hole in the bottom. Let's see. Let me show you the name here. So you can see the name here. See, it's Senecio vitalis crest, or mermaid tail, and it's native to South Africa. So you can see that nice shape here and the whole crested look. So these are great succulents to collect, as well as to decorate your yard or your garden.